Hello my friends, thank you for tuning in. This is Nessie and today I'm going to show you how you can make money online with $7. Okay, one time $7, no monthly fee. And you can see that I already made 130. I joined like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I made $133 for my $7 investment. And this is not an investment company. This is affiliate marketing business. No crypto, no forex. Okay, and you can see over here 768 commissions have been paid to members in the last 24 hours. Okay, so basically OLSP is they also have products and they have trainings. So they basically teach you how to make money online. They teach you everything you need to know, if it's social media or how to build an email list, how to set up your Facebook. So the basic product is $7. If you want to join me, it's called the Mega Link. Okay, this is my link and it's called the Mega Link. Once you purchase it, you see you get all the training inside. Okay, now the comment for instance, the Comment Dominator over here, the Comment Dominator Pro is you can use this tool to, you get paid for posting comments on Facebook. So if you don't like to recruit so much, so you can make also money from posting comments on Facebook. And what I like about this platform is that you can you get, if one of your referrals, one of your leads purchase any product that OLSP has to offer, you get commissions. And the reason I like it is because they do the email marketing for you. Okay, so if you bring leads, let's say you send traffic, you get leads, they do all the email marketing for you. So they do the follow up on your behalf, and they send the marketing messages to your leads. And if somebody buys one of the product, you get commissions. So from $7 you can make a lot of money because there are a lot of products in the back office. Okay, so they invite your leads to webinars, and they invite them to Facebook Live. There is a huge community behind the platform. The owner is Wayne and he's from London. And what you need, if you will find my link under this video if you want to join me. Also, I leave my Facebook profile link under this video in the details sections. So if you want to get training from me, if you join my link and upgrade with the $7, so obviously I can help you with the training also, in addition to what you already have in your account. So you can contact me and I can give you a lot of tips how to get fast results with this platform. So what you need to do is, once you click on the link and fill in your email, and just go to step 1, step 2, step 3, and watch how you can start making money with this platform. And you can get really fast results with it. And you can see there is a webinar exactly 1 hour from now. Discover how OLSP, let's see what, so you can join the webinars and get a lot of value. Discover how OLSP members have made over $30,000 from other people's sales. So this is what the webinar is about tonight. Okay, and so let's go through the back office dashboard. So here are all the products that your leads can buy, that your referrals can buy. List building, Mega Link. I'm not going to be specific on each product, but every time someone in your downline purchase one of these products, you'll get commissions, and you can get 100%. There are 2 products that you get 100% commissions, 100% referral commissions on 2 products, on the Mega Link and on the Magic Link. Okay, and the other products you can make residual income because they have products with monthly membership. Okay, so these are the products that your downline can purchase: list building and Magic Link, vertical video, team builders, mega builders, OLSP VIP, mega messengers. One of my friends is using the mega messenger, and it's really powerful to get leads. To get leads from Facebook, it's really powerful. So you got OLSP Elite, TD Pages, the Mega Builder software, and Elite Plus, Facebook Advanced Plus Toffee method, Traffic Rotator, a lot of tools and products and trainings. Shorts Mega Vault, Shorts Bonus, and the Mega Challenge. Okay, so if one of your referrals purchase something, you always get paid. So you can make lifetime commissions. Once they are your leads, if they convert to customers, you make money from every product each time somebody buys. And once you purchase the Mega Link, which is $7, only one time $7, so you get all the training here. All this training is yours, okay? You can go through everything over here. How I made 10 million in commissions, the 10x commission hack, Mega Link, OLSP user guide, Comment Dominator Pro, which I covered, Facebook 101. They teach you how to set up your how to get leads and how to get a lot of traffic from Facebook. So Facebook 101 training, and there is Traffic Challenge Fast Start and the Mega Link Fast Start pack. So this is what you get with the Mega Link. Okay, now on the dashboard on the left hand side you can see commissions. Here you can get a breakdown of all your commissions. Your leads are over here. You can see I have already 33 leads in my back office, and you can see the customers. So if somebody is purchasing even one product, he becomes your customer. And also, this is another way that you can get paid. If one of your referrals is purchasing, the solo ads and use the buy traffic, so you get also commissions from the solo ads, not only from the products. Okay, so my link is under this video. If you want to join me, you can also send me private message. Let me know when you sign up. Let me know, and send me a message, and I will help you to make fast commissions, fast income with this platform. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.